Welcome to the Lesson 4 Nutshell. Today, we will be discussing affixes. Affixes are small word parts added to the beginnings and endings of words. Understanding how affixes change the meaning of a word can help us figure out the meanings of longer, more complex words. An affix that is added at the beginning of a word is called a prefix. An affix that is added at the end of the word is called a suffix. Using this information, let's look at the word repainting and break it down into smaller parts. This word is made up of 3 parts. You probably recognize the word paint in the middle. We call paint the root word. We call it the root word because it can stand alone as a word that already has its own meaning. Re appears before the root word. It is a prefix, and in this case indicates the action of painting is being repeated. Ing appears after the root word. Ing is the suffix that alerts us that the action of painting is taking place. Recognizing the prefix and suffix of this seemingly complex word makes it much easier to understand. You probably recognize many words that have prefixes. The following words contain prefixes that mean not or the opposite of. Unhappy, undue, dishonest, and disrespect. Notice how these prefixes change the meaning of the root word they are attached to. Some prefixes are related to time. For example, words like repay and rewrite both have the re prefix, indicating that the action is being done again. The prefix sub, found in words like subway and submerge, means under. Now let's look at common suffixes. The suffixes s and es makes a root word plural. For example, the word box with the suffix es attached at the end alerts us that there is more than one box. The suffix est alerts us that something is the most of. For example, when you add est to tall, tallest, we know that something is the tallest of a group. This is the end of Lesson 4. Remember when you stumble across a complex word to look for prefixes and suffixes to help understand the word's meaning.